Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open your Nissan Maxima trunk. First, let's talk about the key fob. Your key fob has a dedicated button for the trunk release. Simply press and hold this button for approximately 2 seconds. You will hear a click as the trunk unlatches. Remember to be within a reasonable distance of your vehicle for the signal to transmit effectively. This is often the quickest and easiest method. Next, let's explore the interior trunk release lever. This handy lever is usually situated on the floor, to the left of the driver's seat, or sometimes on the lower part of the dashboard. Once you locate it, give the lever a firm pull upwards or outwards. You will hear the trunk unlatch, allowing you to open it from the outside. This method is perfect when you are already inside the vehicle. Sometimes, the key fob battery might be dead, or you might prefer a manual approach. For this, you will use the physical key. Look for the keyhole, which is typically located just above the rear license plate. Insert your physical key into this keyhole. Then, turn the key either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on your specific model, to manually unlock the trunk. This ensures access even without power. Finally, let's cover some troubleshooting tips. If your trunk isn't opening, first check for any obstructions around the latch area that might be preventing it from releasing. Also, confirm that your vehicle's main battery isn't completely drained, as this can affect remote functions. For any specific details or unique features of your Maxima, always refer to your owner's manual. It provides comprehensive information tailored to your car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.